Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today you will going to learn about law of inspired action. This is most interesting law of the universe and it is law of inspired action. Everybody in the world pretty much aware about law of attraction. However, there are 12 universal laws and law of inspired action is one of them. So, let's start to understand what is law of inspired action. Truly linked to the law of attraction. The law of inspired action is all about taking those actionable steps to invite what you want in your life. We always don't need to plan our actions to work on our desire all the time. Sometimes small steps or just working on your desire will be okay to manifest what you want in your life. To manifest things in your life, you need to be in the vibrational frequency and energy. And this is how law of inspired action takes place. If you are taking constant inspired action to manifest your dream or desire with unexpected divine time, you are able to manifest it. You just need to understand this part here. You actually need to take actions to accomplish your dream or desire in a constant motion. Even if you don't know how it is going to work. Universe will plan all the circumstances for you and in your favor to attract what you want in your life. Inspired action often occurs when you are following your heart and what makes you happy. You need to take an inspired action on your creative idea you have cooked up, which pushes you to think forwardly as your future self, which has executed those plans. You actually start to visualize and truly see it possible for yourself in your life, and it gives you great desire. You need to have a belief on yourself that whatever you are going to do, it is right thing, and you are moving one step closer to achieve your desire. Do you know what you are really going to do right now? You are literally hacking your reality to breed your most favorable results. And this is the actual pretty much fun when you are get good at it. I really want to recommend you all to read a book called Think and Rich Grow by Napoleon Hill. If you really want to tap into your own manifestation skills in a very deep way. In other hands, I want to bring a shine on a Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of the forces of first objects equals the size of force on the second object. In here, your life, there are two interacting objects. First is your desire and second is your inspired action. If you will take corrective actions to manifest your desire. Trust me, you are able to manifest it in your real time with no matter of time. Trust me, no matter who you are, what you have done, or what you believe, we have a source within us. Just believe it and trust the universe.